Sugadev. Welcome to Dev's Kitchen. So it's so hot outside and summer is at its peak. So now we are going to start a video series that is Beat the Heat. So in this series I'm going to update a lot of cool drinks as well as body coolers and a lot of tips so that we can protect ourselves from summer. As a first video, today we are going to make Kulukki Sarbath. You know, the primary ingredient of this particular recipe is Sabjaseeds. Sabjaseeds is also known as body cooler and it reduces body heat. And before we get into the recipe, please do subscribe and enable the notifications. Come, let's quickly get into the recipe. இந்த வீடியோவை தமிழ்ல பார்க்கணும்னு நினைச்சீங்கன்னா மேல இருக்கிற பெல் ஐகானை கிளிக் பண்ணுங்க. Let's see the ingredients required. I have taken 1.5 teaspoon of sabja seeds. We used to call this as basil seeds. This is called as body cooler. If you have had tried faluda in shops and all, definitely you would have come to know about this. I have taken 1.5 teaspoon of that and 1 lemon and 2 green chilies and 15 mint leaves and a pinch of salt and 2 tablespoons of honey I'm taking. And apart from this, we'll be using ice cubes, that is optional. And if you don't prefer to use honey, you can use sugar also, but honey is a healthy option. First I'm adding a lemon slice. I have taken a jar like this. And then the green chilies I have slit into 2 halves. The green chilies we are adding now. And 2 tablespoons of honey. And the lemon I have squeezed and made juice out of it. We are adding the lemon juice. And then the mint leaves. The soaked sabja seeds. We are adding it. Salt. Water as required. And then ice cubes. After adding, we have to just close it with a lid and we have to shake it well. We just have to shake it, see how good it looks. Just we have to shake it now. That's all. Our Kulukki Sarbath is ready. Now we will transfer it into a glass. A simple and healthy cool drink is ready. Please do try and let me know. Thank you.